I've been all on my grind, gotta go and get mine. No, I'm one of a kind, I'll be there in no time. All this shit in my head, feel like I'm losing my mind. Gotta get to the bread, I know I'm running out of time. I've been all on my grind, gotta go and...
Pizza man brought his car today to get cleaned up. He's got dirt, chips everywhere. Mind you, I don't know if you can really see it on camera, kinda. That was an old sticker. Bugs all over this car. He's got these two, hey Jay. But he's got these two marks here. And we're just gonna touch up paint them for him. Might not look the best, but it's gonna look a lot better than it does now and protect those two spots from getting any bigger. 300 bucks, my man is gonna get all of this taken care of. He told us not even to do the inside, but we're gonna hook him up anyway. Back with the after. This one is about to get hit. The scratches and stuff will be gone, because this one did just look like that. No, it's good to go. Besides, that's a paint chip. Clean, shiny. That hinge is a little dirty. Clean, shiny. After this one, no more black, no more scratches. And Sean's still on the job. He told us not to do the interior, but I just couldn't let it go. We did a quick vacuum and wipe down. I'm not quite happy with the vacuum job, but we don't have the right materials here. So we're gonna finish it another day for him. And maybe even finish the paint chips. And we'll see how he likes it. Put the suck off. Quick video, how dirty it is. Go ahead, son. Battery's dying.
Watch out.
No more letters. And the mirror looks good. Pearly.
Other than the chips. Can't fix that.
Foggy. Clear.
All the shit in my head, feel like I'm losing my mind. Gotta get to the bread, I know I'm running out of time. I've been all on my grind.